Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background of your video. Let's get started. First, insert the video that you want to blur the background of. Select your video in the timeline, and by pressing Command C or on PC Ctrl C, copy it, and by pressing Command V or on PC Ctrl V, paste it. Now select the top layer, go to Video, Remove Background, and click on Custom Removal. Using the Smart Brush, select your subject and everything that you don't want blurred, like the foreground. Using the Smart Eraser, erase the parts of the video you want to be blurred. And when you're happy with your selection, click Apply. Now, as you can see, it takes quite a bit of time to process everything, so just let it be for a minute. When your custom removal is done, go to the Effects tab and search for Blur. Now, take the blur with this guy in the red shirt and put it in between our two layers. And as you can see, everything but our foreground is blurred now. You can adjust the blur by playing around with this slider. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.